Hi, good morning from a slightly overcast Lymington. Alan McIlroy from Berthon here, and this morning I have the pleasure of showing you over this rather nice Oyster 54 from 2011, Iridescent.
This afternoon I have the pleasure of showing you over this rather nice Oyster 54 from 2011 Iridescent. Currently ashore with us here at our offices in Lymington. She's just been laid up in recent weeks and had the benefit of a bit of a polish and a wash down, so she's looking rather resplendent here on our gantries. And as you know, we're open 7 days a week, so she is available for viewing. Nice little detail there of the swim platform, which gives good access to both the sea and the dinghy. And of course she sports a couple of electric davits there as well, which I think are 100-150 kg davits. Obviously the centre cockpit does give you a great aft deck area, and you've got a couple of rather nice pushpit seats there, both to port and starboard. And of course then a deep central lazarette on the aft deck, and then a shallow lazarette on the coach roof, aft coach roof. Moving forward, wide clear side decks. You can just see the removable forestay parked there as well, which goes onto a couple of pad eyes on the forestay, which allows you to deploy a hank-on jib or storm jib. Moving up to the bow, good stout double bow roller there with a CQR anchor and chain. A nice bit of Reckman furler on the jib, and of course both chain and rope gypsy on the windlass. Looking aft, just quite nice sleek lines, this vintage of Oyster. Now this is a particular merit, the mast. The boat was originally supplied with a slab reef conventional main, but to aid ease of handling, the current owner changed the rig out in 2023, so you're looking at a brand new Selden painted spar, of course with the accompanying running and standing rigging as well, and a new mainsail to go with it. So a nice fresh rig that's ready to go. Those nice black wraparound windows, which look rather smart. A nice grey canvas spray hood there. Of course, there's a bimini as well, and the accompanying cockpit seating detailed with a nice little bit of blue piping actually, so it's all very smart on deck. Main sheet conveniently located just aft the cockpit within arm's reach of the helmsman. Steering pedestal there, well appointed, autopilot controls, bi-thruster, and a new 9-inch axiom plotter. Stepping into the companionway, we have powered winches both port and starboard, which make it a doddle handling that new rig with the in-mast furling. Large varnished cockpit table with stowage there. That's your continuous furling line coming back onto the electric winch just to port. Insulated stowage there in the cockpit table. Now stepping below. Iridescent sports a light oak interior, and which reflects the sort of quality and craftsmanship that we know Oyster are renowned for, with off-white leather upholstery. And of course that rather amazing saloon table, which of course folds over to accommodate the entire saloon, so ideal for entertaining. Manufactured by Windboats, so she sports that rather nice moulding on the headlining of the deck saloon as well. It's a very beautifully finished off yacht. So aft on starboard, we step down to the nav station, which a glance over the particulars will let you know that it's fairly well appointed, and of course sports a new 12-inch axiom plotter. And of course you've got your electrical distribution panel there as well, just aft of the nav station. Moving round to port, of course, we have the spacious linear galley running aft. There's twin stainless sinks, 4-burner force 10 stove, little top load, a glimpse of the top loading freezer there, and of course stainless fronted fridge. So all in all, a well appointed cook's galley. Stepping aft, we have the owner's cabin with a nice centre-line double berth, some seating to starboard with a small desk stroke vanity unit, and stowage to port. All in all, rather nice place to be. In detail there, the little flat screen mounted above the desk also. Stepping forward into the owner's ensuite. Beautifully finished off, enough wood to make it really smart, but largely GRP, so easy to clean and maintain. Nice dark grey Avonite surfaces there. Fully enclosed shower stall. Thermostatically controlled shower, and then a little door going through to the nav station, which enables that aft head to be the day head as well. Because just while we're in here, we have a quick look at the aft access to the engine bay. There is of course a forward access through adjacent to the chart table. And here we have a 140 horse Yanmar. Well appointed, well lit, good ventilation, nice engine room actually. And of course a spotless bilge. Okay, so let's take a wander forward. Stepping through the saloon, we come to the forward companionway, which leads directly to the guest cabin in the bow. Nice island double berth with drawer storage below, some shelving, and of course hanging stowage to port. Aft of this, on starboard, we have a twin Pullman cabin. 2 good-sized bunks. Again, a very cosy cabin with ample stowage. And then serving both those cabins, we have the forward heads compartment on port. Again, there's oak and GRP finish there. Good sized separate shower stall. Should mention obviously both fore and after electric flash WCs also. Iridescent is a really nice example. I think the 54 is a lovely yacht in that it's big enough to be immensely capable and comfortable, but yet it's easily managed by a couple, which is, you know, let's face it, how most of these boats are driven with occasional friends on board. As I mentioned, she's currently laid up ashore with us here at our offices in Lymington, available for viewing 7 days. So any further queries, or if you'd like to arrange a viewing, please feel free to get in touch. Thank you very much.